Good morning. I was just trying to give you guys something to look at, but I might have to ditch this. This is kind of lame, isn't it? Anyway, I actually have some calls pending, so we are gonna jump right in here in a minute. But it's your friendly neighborhood puppy chaser here doing the day in the life of an animal control officer. This should be really fun. I'm excited to bring you guys along. Obviously, I can't show you guys everything, but I will leave in what I can and omit what I can't show you. So let's get this party started. I was thinking you guys could look at this puppet, but this is kind of lame, so I think I'm going to ditch it. $10.08. I'll start off with that call. This is going to be a very, very busy day. So I'm just going to go ahead and call the complainant and get some information from him and just verify some stuff. So that's what I'm doing right now.
I'm sorry, the person you were trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Please try your call again later.
Of course. Of course. I don't know which address that is. If that's the guy's address or if that's the owner of the dog's address. Let's try him one more time. Alright, I guess we're just gonna head out there and find out, huh? That's gonna be fun. Isn't this fun, you guys?
In 900 feet, turn right.
Okay, this is embarrassing. Be my bad boy, be my man, be my weekend lover, but don't be my friend. There we go, that's more
In
like
a quarter mile. Arrived.
Yeah, I'm just gonna park over here. Okay, so that call was a little bit complicated. I ended up speaking with everybody and their mother. Like, seriously, the RP, I ended up speaking with their uncle, their cousin, and their brother before I spoke with them. And then the suspect, I ended up speaking to the sister, the grandmother, the father, and then finally I spoke with him. But anyway, his dog got loose and ended up killing a neighbor's cat, but because the cat was off of its own property, I can't do anything, like I can't deem the dog potentially dangerous. Normally, if the dog killed the cat on the cat's property, we could deem the dog potentially dangerous, but the guy is going to get a citation for his dog being at large. And now I am headed to a cat that was hit by a car and is in very, very bad shape from what the owner was telling me on the phone. What we're going to do is I'm going to get this cat and take it to the shelter, and they'll probably have to euthanize it right away. I'm hoping, well, I don't know what to hope for, whether the cat's alive or if it passed. I mean, I don't want this poor thing to suffer, so I'm getting there as fast as I can, see what I can do. So, alright, let's put some music on or something. There we go. A lot of this job is driving from place to place or doing patrols, so it's just a whole lot of driving. Hope you guys like driving, because that's what we're doing. So it's going to take me a minute to get there. Also trying not to speed. Maybe a little bit. I have one cat on board, starting mileage 1301. Poor kitty. That cat was definitely hit by a car. The owner saw it happen, and she's probably got some head trauma. She's gonna need to be euthanized. Holy smokes jamokes. They've got a lot going on in that shelter. Okay. So I am going to, let's see here, I'll go ahead and clear this out. I'll be 10-8, PR, 1 intake. Yikes. Yikes. Alright, I got some reports I gotta rate. So let's go find somewhere to hide. You will find, as an ACO, big parking lots are your friend. We like to come back here and hide and do reports. Paperwork. I always try to find some place in the shade, but I ain't gonna get that this time, so I'm just gonna park over here. Alright, you guys don't have to watch me write reports. Super boring stuff. So I'll check back in with you guys when I'm done. I'll take that. Can you please put my follow-up on hold? It's gonna be freaking gone by the time I get there. Okay, so I'm going to dog in a vehicle. It's totally gonna be gone before I get there, because I'm half hour out. Freaking busy Saturday, man. Oh, don't run in front of me. Please don't run in front of me.
Turn left.
Look at the pretty little fawn. Oh, you totally ran in front of me. Run, Bambi, run!
Proceed to the route.
Yeah,
Proceed
I know.
to the route.
Shush! It's basically me arguing with the GPS all day. Hey, have you guys ever seen Dexter? Not Dexter's Laboratory. Dexter, like the serial killer Dexter. Yeah, I feel like Dexter because I'm trying to drive with one hand and eat with the other. Anywho, so now I'm just sitting doing a patrol at the park because I finally got a chance to catch my breath and slow down. By the way, I didn't realize I really needed gas and I almost didn't make it. I mean, I was like right there on empty and yeah, I was cutting out a little bit too close for comfort. Woo! But I made it. We're getting up to the end of the shift here. Hopefully I don't get any more calls before I get off, because I'm tired. It's been a very busy day. I went ahead and I did a follow-up. I know that I didn't have my camera turned on, but I did a follow-up at this location where the lady let her dog run loose, and the guy was trying to be really nice to her about it. He finally said, "Look, I'm going to have to call animal control." And she goes, "Go ahead and call animal control. See what happens." Alright, so I get there. I leave a contact notice on her door. I knew she was home. She just didn't want to come to the door, so I left a contact notice on her door. And I went back today. This was yesterday. So I went back today to follow up on it. And the contact notice was gone. Of course, she didn't call me. And she didn't come to the door again. So I left a second contact notice. Go ahead. See what happens when you ignore me. You're getting a citation now, baby. And I'm going to get you for rabies and license if you don't have that either. Ha! Alrighty, that has been the entire shift with ACO Twiggy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have no idea if that was even remotely interesting for you guys. Whew, today was busy. This is ACO Twiggy calling 10-7. Until next time. Uh.